All right, last one.
Kanye West says, I want homeless to model my clothes for upcoming Yeezy collab. He wants homeless people
Yes.
to model his clothes. Why? What's his...
So he got an idea with a collaborator called David Sebastian to work on a fashion show in Skid Row to dress people living in Skid Row, to be able to afford this stuff and work in the fashion show as well.
The founder of Skid Row Fashion Week, David Sebastian, tells TMZ he met with Kanye earlier this month while Ye was recording Donda 2 at his studio in LA's Arts District near Skid Row, and they decided to create a Yeezy X Skid Row Fashion Week clothing collab. Okay, so they worked on the clothing together, and now they're going to do a fashion show.
Yeah, and David Sebastian is like a creative type in LA. He's just known to be really creative. He's done a lot of creative stuff.
Creative type.
Yeah.
Very
those
creative.
types.
Sure, yeah. It was very vague what you said, but I'll take it.
Yeah, okay. Good.
I know what you mean.
Good.
He's done a variety of arts projects by the sounds of it. David says his company donates a portion of all sales to helping those living on Skid Row, and the factory that makes the clothes employs the homeless. In addition, the Yeezy collab will use 100% of the proceeds to help the homeless on Skid Row. I've heard this is quite, this is a tough situation in LA from what I hear, and I haven't been to LA in a long time, so I haven't personally seen what's going on, but yeah, if this can help out, then cool. And if these models are into it, right? If they think it's cool, then I don't have a problem with it.
Yeah,
You know
I think it's a cool little project.
Okay. If it's cool, then it's cool. I don't know. If nobody got a problem with it, nobody got a problem. I don't know.
Sound like a gangster there.
I don't know.
Got no problem.
Thank you to everybody who joined today. Today is Friday, so we're not going to see you for a minute or two. However, we're going to be back.
When?
On Monday.
Monday, okay.
We're going to be back on Monday, and it's going to be live, and hopefully it's going to be a little bit earlier, like around noon.
Yeah, we'll keep a consistent schedule.
Yeah, hopefully it's going to be
figured out.
Hopefully it's going to be around noon on Monday, so we'd love for you to join us. We truly appreciate it. Thank you to everybody who's in the chat, and thank you to anybody who sent a super chat, because I know Mo said somebody did, so thank you to you too. We'll see you on Monday.